Is another video of how to get into the engineer mode of a Euro 46 panel if you don't have the engineer code. So here it goes. So first things first, the panel lid off and straight off the battery lead. Then next we go to the bell tamper cable, the TR, and we take that out of that terminal. And then what we do, we'll down power the panel. So we take the fuse out, give it a few seconds, pop it back in, straight to the keypad, and the time and date comes up. Hold down the yes button for approximately 30 seconds. And there we are, we're into engineer mode. From here we can change the codes, master code, engineer code. Don't forget to put the battery lead back on, the tamper cable back into the bell, and pop the lid on. Save, come out of engineer mode, and enjoy.